Now coming to treatment, it depends on the severity of the curvature, symptoms and the underlying cause. In mild to moderate cases, one can treat kyphosis with conservative treatment, that is non-surgical treatment. Posture correction for postural kyphosis, improving posture through awareness and exercises can help. Physical therapy in terms of strengthening core and back extension muscles to improve spinal support are of help. For teenagers and patients with Schurman's kyphosis, in the early stages, a brace can help prevent further deformity. This is when the patient is still growing and the bones are still growing. Again, in terms of pain management, we use anti-inflammatory medications and lifestyle changes to reduce discomfort. Again, osteoporosis has to be managed based on the QCT report. There are various means and ways of treating this with medicines and exercises. Now, coming to surgical treatment, surgery is recommended if the curvature exceeds more than 70 degrees and continues to get worse. If the patient experiences severe pain, difficulty in walking or breathing issues, or the patient himself wants the deformity to be corrected. Surgery is also offered when non-surgical treatments have failed to provide relief. The most common surgical procedure done is deformity correction and spinal fusion, where metal rods and screws are used to straighten and stabilize the spine. Surgery is highly effective, but recovery can take several months and requires rehabilitation.